I will show you how to preserve fresh peppers for the winter. I'll wash them first. I will clean the stems and seeds from the peppers and cut them into fillets. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I cut the peppers into fillets and will mince 1 head of garlic. I peeled garlic. I need clean and wash jars. I put a few peppercorns in each jar. I add garlic. A teaspoon of salt. Two tablespoons of vinegar 9%. I add parsley. I thinly slice the pepper fillets in a jar. And this is how I will do all the jars. I pour water into each jar to cover the pepper. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan, and I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I'll cover it. And from the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 30 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 80 degrees Celsius. The pasteurization is complete, and I will leave the jars to gradually cool in the water. After that, I store them in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.